In this video, I'll talk about using the words "what if" to spark creativity, change, and better team collaboration. Hello, I'm Stephen Goldberg. I learned the concept of "what if" some time ago, and I've been using it lately to spark better creativity, continuous improvement with team members on projects. Let's suppose that you're working on a presentation and one person in the team, or you've delegated one person to work on a PowerPoint presentation. Now, usually they're going to create the presentation and present it to you or the team for approval. Often when we look at the draft, things stand out that we want improved or changed that don't meet with our expectations. And usually what we do is we tell the person, do this or do that. But that type of approach doesn't usually spark great collaboration and motivation for the person that's actually worked on the presentation. So rather than saying, hey, this is what I prefer, or this is not what I wanted, I'd like you to do that, and you're being more directive, using the what if approach allows it to be more collaborative. For example, what I suggest first is you point out the positives of what you like about the presentation. That reinforces the good work that the person's done and makes them feel good about their work. Then you move on to what you'd like to change, and here is where you use the what if. So for example, maybe you feel there's too much text and not enough images. You could then say, well, what if we use very powerful images instead of all this text and use just a few keywords to go along with the images? And then you could even take it further and say, well, what if we use these type of images? Well, what do you think? And you collaborate that way. In this sense, you're suggesting changes that could be made to improve the presentation, but you're not putting down the work that they've already done. Now, if you share this concept of what if with other people on the team or with the person that reports to you that's doing the work for you, you could start bouncing what if ideas off each other and come up with some really crazy or wild ideas that may just spark more attention for the project that you're working on and make it much better. So get into the habit of using the what if on anything that you're doing. How can you make it better by saying, well, what if I do it this way? Or what if we add that? Just keep asking the what if. You'll be amazed at how you could challenge your thinking to come up with better ideas and better ways of doing things. So this could be applied to a project that you're collaborating on, or just in general to different things that you'd like to improve in your business or your way of doing things. I hope this what if idea hits home with you and you put it into action right away. Let me know. Thanks for listening, and talk again soon. I hope you find these tips useful. Here's some videos that are related that you can watch right now. Subscribe to our channel to get news of new videos as they come out. Thanks for listening, and talk again soon.